agreements, rules,
regulations which has been set forth by the organizer of this tournament. As a competitor of this game, I hereby swear and agree to play the game in the highest forms and standards of discipline and sportsmanship. No matter if I win or lose, what counts is how I conduct myself and I play my game. In the spirit of belongingness, peace and community enjoyment with my competitors. Now therefore, declare to self-defense in the presence of a true sportsman, in thought, in word, and indeed in the true spirit of sportsmanship, the glory of sports, the honor of my barangay. For the glory of sports and honor of my barangay. So help me God.
Thank you, Mr. Abella. Para po sa ating closing remarks, tinatawagan ko po si Kagawad Pepito Romano.
Muli pong pinasasalamatan ng Barangay 902 ang lahat ng tumulong upang maging possible ang panigang ito. Kailangan po ang papakita na kahit may problema tayo sa tournament, tayo pa rin po ay nagkakaisa. Sana'y maging makabuluhan at pakinabang ang panigang ito. So, hindi na natin patatagalin. Sa kanan ng aming mahal ng punong barangay, sa mga kasama ang kagawad, officially open this tournament. Maraming salamat po.
So, thank you very much. Ayan po, nagsabi na, ang first game po natin, Obet sa Busido, asa ka na? Obet! Ayan. So muli po nagpapasalamat po kami sa lahat ng tumulong, Barangay 901, headed by Chairman Sandy Alba, so of course sa ating Pitray, ang Sunday Club, PTBC, PUBA, Junbal, of course, Congresswoman Sandy Ocampo, Chairman Ed Natividado, Barangay 894, Kagawad Cesar, and Kagawad Sherwin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And of course, this tournament is brought to you by Barangay 902.
First game natin, Bowlers versus ST Boys. Sunday Club versus First Block.
Okay na lang. We officially open our games. Our tournament 2013 is now open. Ceremonial toss check. Hindi na lang po. Open ceremonial toss. So muli po nagpapasalamat kami and thank you very much for all the participants. Please rely na lang po sa ating schedule of games.
picture mo na, picture.